The world is loud. Your heart is tired. What if God isn't shouting, but whispering? The still, small voice doesn't fight for volume. It waits for room. Stay for a few minutes. Let your pulse slow. Learn how to hear again, inside the quiet. Watch to the end for one simple line you can carry into tonight's prayer. We're trained to chase the loudest thing. Notifications, deadlines, opinions that spark and burn out. No wonder we assume God must match the volume to get through. But presence does not need to perform. Love doesn't need a spotlight to be real. The still voice is not weak, it's near. It speaks beneath the static, steady, unhurried, precise. It doesn't bargain for your attention. It invites it. Maybe that's why you haven't heard it lately. Not because it left, but because everything else got louder. The whisper is still there, lower than noise, closer than breath. Hearing God is less about forcing sound, more about making space. The soul hears better when the body slows. Your attention is a door. Peace is the hinge. Try this. Unclench your jaw. Drop your shoulders. Breathe in slowly and out even slower. Now notice what rises when you stop arguing with the moment. The whisper often speaks in alignment, not argument. In the thought that is lighter, truer, kinder than your fear. You don't chase the voice. You clear the room so it can be heard. It sounds like clarity without rush, correction without shame, direction without panic. It will not flatter your ego or feed your dread. It moves you toward truth, toward others, toward the next small, faithful step. Sometimes it arrives as scripture returning to mind. Sometimes as a nudge to apologize. Sometimes as the freedom to release what you cannot hold. The still voice doesn't inflate you, it orients you. You can carry quiet into a loud world. Choose slow before you choose scroll. Choose truth before you choose noise. Walk at a pace where love can keep up. And when you can't tell the difference between your fear and God's leading, return to stillness. The voice of love will never require you to abandon love to follow it. Tonight, give the whisper room. You don't need a thunderclap to be led, just a heart willing to listen. If this brought you peace, keep it moving. Share it with one person who needs quiet tonight, and subscribe to sit with us weekly.